Look at the balloon. What color is it? It's a star. It's blue. It's a blue star. It's a circle. It's pink. It's a pink circle. It's a square. It's yellow. It's a yellow square. It's an oval. It's orange. It's an orange oval. The answer is B. It's a circle. It's pink. It's a pink circle. Who is she? She is my sister. She is tall. She is my grandmother. She is old. She is my mother. She is pretty. He is my father. He is handsome. The answer is C. She is my mother. She is pretty. What can you do? Look at me. I can walk. Look at me. I can run. Look at me. I can dance. Look at me. I can jump. The answer is B. Look at me. I can run. Happy birthday, Jenny. How old are you? I am 6 years old. I am 7 years old. I am 8 years old. I am 10 years old. The answer is D. I am 10 years old. How's the weather today? It's rainy today. It's sunny today. It's snowy and cold today. It's windy and cloudy today. The answer is C. It's snowy and cold today. How many flowers are there? There are 2 bicycles. There is 1 tree. There are 7 flowers. There are 3 flowers. The answer is D. There are 3 flowers. Where is the bird? It's in the tree. It's by the bench. It's under the tree. It's by the flower. The answer is C. It's under the tree. What do you want? I am hungry. I want a sandwich and a banana. I am thirsty. I want milk, please. I am hungry. I want an orange and bread. I am thirsty. I want apple juice. The answer is B. I am thirsty. I want milk, please. What's your favorite animal? My favorite color is yellow. My favorite food is pizza. I like dogs. I want a pet dog. No, I don't like spiders. The answer is C. I like dogs. I want a pet dog. What do you have in your bag? I have a key in my bag. I have a lunchbox in my bag. I have a comic book in my bag. I have a candy bar in my bag. The answer is B. I have a lunchbox in my bag.